Here's GEMATRIA app on iPhone, so let's just install it and see how it's working. So you can see the size here. Just use your Touch ID to install, and then you can see that you can research GEMATRIA and numerology as a mobile optimized user experience. It's made from the founders of website GEMATRIAEffectNews.com. Easily input different sized text blocks with single line word mode, show any number of cipher values, streamline your interface. Now there you have it, so something like that. And then here is just the app. Oops. And then you can see chart of letter values, and then you can just save it, this snapshot. So yeah, that's about it. So something like that. That's in an app. So that's kind of interesting. And then we can also just explore what that means. So that's basically that. So the practice of assigning a numerical value to a name, word, or phrase according to an alphanumerical cipher. A single word can yield several values depending on the cipher which is used. So it's using in a lot of cases, in a lot of subcultures, or just people have some theories and all of that. And it can be fun. There are different types of it. There are different settings, and of course, if you want to discover some value of some phrase, you can just see it here. So there is Pythagorean gematria, reverse simple English, reverse Pythagorean, and so something around that. That's how it works. You can see also some other settings. So it's kind of fun app that you don't need to go to some website. You can just have it right in the app. In case you were looking for it, this is the app. That's how it looks like. You don't need to create an account. You don't need to upgrade. Super easy, fast.